The wind whispers tales of a land long ago, where warriors fought with hearts aflame, you know. From Benguet heights to Luzon's fertile plains, our ancestors forged a province free from chains. Sons and daughters of beloved Benguet, hear the echo of their legacy, carry it proudly. The fire in their eyes, the strength in their hands. It's time to stand tall, to lead this province's lands. Our fathers faced down empires, defied colonial might, fought for freedom, for justice, for what's right. They built this province, brick by brick, with sweat and tears. And now it's your turn to quell your fears. Sons and daughters of beloved Benguet, hear the echo of their legacy, carry it proudly. The fire in their eyes, the strength in their hands. It's time to stand tall, to lead this province lands. The spirit of one Benguet, a bond strong and true. In unity we rise, in purpose we renew. From the mountains to the sea, from